Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste clips in CapCut. Follow my instructions carefully. First, open CapCut app on your phone. The method I'm going to showing you works both on Android and iPhone. After opening CapCut, next click on New Project and select the video you want to edit. Then, click on Add in the bottom right corner. Now, you'll see your video on the editing timeline. To create clips, tap on the video and click the Split button. This will divide the video into different clips. Now, to copy a clip, simply tap on the clip you want to copy and scroll through the options at the bottom. You'll find the Duplicate option. Tap on it and the clip will be copied. Now, long press the duplicated copy of the clip and move to your desired place in your timeline. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a clip in CapCut. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.